Okay, so I'll just repeat really quickly what I said because I know people gonna
Okay,
ask.
go ahead.
Okay, so Thursday we had a huge impulse candles with the unemployment claims that came out on Thursday. So that made the market actually go ahead and buy up. You can see right here these gaps that would actually open is very important because you can always see price come and fill in these gaps. They're always going to fill in these gaps, no matter if the market is going up, no matter if the market's going down. So looking at where the market did basically bought up from, you can see towards the end of Friday, markets just basically started selling down and started retracing from Thursday's move. So I'll be looking for, sometime this week. And like I said, today is only Monday, it's Juneteenth. So basically the market was moving slow, but you can see the direction that it is looking to, head towards. I would like my analysis is, to basically see it come down at least to this candle right here, to maybe about the 34,000 area. If it surpasses that, that's like I said, it's even great. Maybe to come down here to this candle, if it does that, see, just pay attention to how it reacts in this area. It may probably bounce off of that and then start buying back up from there. But that's what I'll be looking for US 30 today. But I did actually take a US 30 setup today, actually. Let me see what my entry was. I basically got in not too far from where the actual Asian low was. Let's see. Okay, so my entry was 342.33. Yeah, so about right there. 342.33 was my entry. So
Mhm.
I went right into profit. No, I'm sorry. I probably went like nine pips in profit. I'm sorry, 9 pips drawdown. 9 pips drawdown, and then it went right into profit after that. So it dropped for 63 pips. So it did go ahead and pull back a little bit, and then it's basically retesting and looking like it wants to finish off. So hopefully, like I said, we can get that move to continue to play out. That's what I see for US 30. Nas, you can see playing out the same way. We had this huge impulse buy. Now it's basically retracing. Want to see it come down, to this area over here. That's like I said, that's pretty likely to happen. So that's what I want to see for Nas. Um, GBP USD was pretty smooth all week of last week. All week of last week. So it's clearly been in an uptrend. It's been in a heavy uptrend at that. Let me see. So when the candles are above the 200 moving average, then you want to look for buys. So every single day that the market actually has been in an uptrend, it's literally been buying right before. Let me see. Go to this template. It's literally been buying right at the breakout zone. And that would have been your entry every single day, honestly, because it played out beautifully into playing into these highs. So I had called out where this was going last week and the week before last at that. And it played out perfectly last week. So when you go on the daily time frame, you just look to the left to see exactly if you're in the uptrend. You go on the daily time frame, and you actually have to go on the daily time frame because it's been buying up so much you can't even see how far it bought up from on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame. So you can literally look on the daily time frame, look to the left, see exactly what highs are looking to be targeted. Where's the next set of highs? So the next set of highs would be this area right here. So it'll be at 1.30353. That's what you would look to basically take your buys. But the market is looking to retrace. As you can see right now, it is looking to retrace. And you like the USD pairs I just went over, you can see that they're actually having the same pattern since it actually did buy up so much. So you can see that, the retracement. Hey, Lanze. So you can see that the retracement is basically, in formation right now to, cover back off of what had happened. So GBP is a little bit different, but just looking at it, then like I said, I want to see more of it drop down. When I would like to see more of it drop down. So I'll go over the signals. Let's see. One second. Let's see, I think it's this one. Okay. So we got the signals, guys. So the signals, we have a $25 day pass, we have a $50 weekly pass, and we have a $100 monthly pass for signals, right? So the signals is calling it out for you. Even if you don't know where to enter into the market, which the strategy I teach you guys is super elite, it's going to tell you that. And also you can have the signals to give you extra, extra signals if you want to trade more throughout the day, right? So looking here on US30, like I said, I don't like to trade until 9:30. Sometimes if it's 8, I'll trade like 8:30. If it's news, like if it's unemployment, CPI, that's pretty much the only time I'll trade 8:30. But normally I'm trading 9:30 after, right? So Brandon has you guys on a 15-minute time frame. So you can see as early as 9, and he actually elongated the signals now, so that way it's not you guys hopping in and out. Is you're actually staying in for a good while, right? And like I said, along with what I inform you guys, is time and price is very important because it plays a huge role into what the market is going to do at certain times. So as I just went over, right, which is the basically the technicals of trading. So you remember, like I said, the market actually did go ahead and, it did buy up for a couple of days with US30. And like I said, that Thursday it bought up so much that a retracement is going to be coming around the corner. So this signal went off at as early as 9:15 actually. It didn't, the sell lasted all the way down to what, 11 a.m. So that was like hour and 45 minutes of selling that it went ahead and did after it called it out for you guys. So it dropped for 103 pips. It dropped for 103 pips just off of the signal. Then after that, 11 a.m., 11:15, told you to buy. And that pretty much wrapped up the whole day for 74 pips. Okay. Now this signal went off at what? 6:45 p.m. Told you to sell. We don't trade Asia session, but I'm just showing you guys how elite it is. Dropped for what? 18 points. 18 points. So that was US30. I'll go over Nas. Okay, so Nas told you to sell exactly at what, 9:30. It told you to sell. Oh, Nas dropped for 19 points. So 19 pips. So like I said, today wasn't too much of, a lot of movement because of the holiday, but it still cut it up and gave you some pips. Buy one off, 7 points, 7 pips. Sell signal came back on. It just basically chopped everything up. And Nas is a little bit, like I said, a little bit more smaller increments just because of how that pair moves. But on a normal day, Nas would move a good 50 to 70 pips, no problem. 100 pips too. But you guys just see how it, basically cut it up, even in consolidation, because I would say Nas had a little bit more consolidation for the day than US30 did. But that basically summed up the whole day. But and like I said, the market had actually cut off early because it was a holiday. So you only got half a day. So it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't much movement. in the market today at all. They cut it off. They shut the market off at 130, like around 115, I want to say. So it wasn't much movement, but that was it. And that's my analysis. Y'all have any other questions? All right. So I'll see you guys Wednesday. If you guys want access to the signals, just DM me, let me know, send me a private message. If you got any other questions, just let me know. But I'll see you guys Wednesday. Bye.
Hey y'all, so this is just the aftermath of basically what I called out the previous night of this setup actually happening. It happened like the next day, okay? The next trading day. So just that goes to show you how accurate I am on these charts, okay? So, um as you guys heard in the video, right? I was telling you guys that US30 was going to come down to this impulse candle. You can see it sold right down to it. And as I was stating to you guys that, wait for the reaction for the reversal in this area, it sure as hell did that. It sure as hell did that. Right after it came, took out this impulse candle, reversed to the upside, and then it started coming back down at the end of the day. But the move was really smooth, played out very clean, and I was actually in this US30 trade. So it was a pretty good day. So if you guys are interested in a mentorship, signals, DM us right now so we can get you signed up. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.